stuck.
Why is that shit going so slow?
The motherland, up top. Yo, top of the morning. Motherfucking first morning back in Medellin. One of my favorite cities in the world. Been here a few times. The view is spectacular from the building. So you know what I do in the mornings? Save some onions. Sandwich boys. Over here they sell like the food in smaller portions, which is pretty cool. So you don't have to like get a large loaf of bread or whatever.
Got me some seasoned up turkey, some real monster cheese. We're gonna go with the fresh mango juice. And the, no, I try to keep a little, the seeds with the grapes. I mean the grapes with the seeds. Shout out to Dr. Sebi.
Shout out to Dr. Sebi. And we finna do it like that, man. We finna eat breakfast. I'm gonna take you out to, I wanna say El Centro today. We're gonna do a little shopping in the hood. Damn, I need to get some scissors or something. Fuck. I don't wanna bite this shit. Oh, fuck it. Beast mode. Wow. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Yo, I did a super compra yesterday at the. See, the part about this B&B that I like, the energy living, besides the security, they got the grocery store literally 2 blocks up the street. So you can just walk up there. They got liquor. They got you know, everything you fucking need. Damn, I'm gonna have to bust this shit. Pause. Pussy. Don't worry, I wash my hands and it's mine anyway, bitch. But about to have a nice little birthday dinner tonight for my nigga T-Bells. You seen him in the Costa Rica video. I'm gonna have to get back to you because look at this shit, man. I'll be right back. No mayo, no mustard, cheese and bread. Survival tactics. That's one thing about these foreign countries, bro. The food tastes so different. The cheese, the chocolate, the steak. It's not like America where it's like everything's super processed. This shit tastes mad natural. Look at the size of these fucking grapes, bro. With the seeds in them, you feel me? With the seeds. You just spit seeds off the balcony when you're on the motherfucking 17th floor. This is my view right here. Wrap around balcony. Niggas ain't fucking with me. Link will be in the bio. Any questions? Just hit me, bro. We in the energy living, Medellin, Colombia. Get in tune. We on the way to the Metro Cable to Santo Domingo. Taking a cab right now. We usually do the Ubers, but they was taking too long. So we riding through towns right now. We driving through mad hoods right now to get to where we gotta go to. It's just crazy that we just passed a spot that used to be a landfill. They converted it to all cribs out there. It's wild. Well, you see where we at, homie?
Out here in the real Colombia.
¿Para comer o para llevar?
Para llevar.
So we just got some real Colombian shit on the side of the road over here. Some arepa con what? Arepa with egg? What the fuck you said? This nigga, the real Medellin, he taking me through the real Medellin. It's good when you know somebody from the towns, family from the towns. Oh shit, they just hit my line. I gotta shut this shit off. Got me eating a fucking hard-boiled egg inside a fucking arepa. It might be some real Colombian shit.
You should dry as hell, I ain't gonna hold you. We need something different. This right here? It's alright.
This is what the entrance to the metro cable look like. About to ride some shit all the way up the mountains. Look at this shit. Metro cable. This shit scary. This shit be waving and shit. It is.
So it's different from city to city too? Right, so people from Medellin don't talk the same as people from Cartagena. They talk different. Because Cartagena is like the coast, like Pereira.
Yeah, but I want like that short textbook Spanish, right?
Like it's conmigo.
I'm shake this shit. When I go in and I talk and the conversation is fluid over here, sometimes I struggle. We still got a long way to go up there. But then I struggle with Mexican sometimes Spanish too. That shit different. It's very complex. And it's real good Spanish. It's just the speech and the word.
Telling you who don't understand context. Oh, what's going on? Different.
Yeah.
Is it stuck?
What is happening?
Why is that shit going so slow?
Probably because we're going more up at an angle. Like, you know, more steep.
That's a lot. Pulling power, nigga.
We good, though. I know. It's the hood up here, bro. It's like the hood. Yeah, this is the mirador right here. It's where I come smoking shit. We're gonna come right now.
You said mirador?
A mirador. Mirador means like a spot observatory. You can see the whole city.
That's dope.
Are we finna smoke in the hood?
Yeah.
We about to go right over there and smoke.
My nigga.
Yeah, we get off right here and we walk through this back road. Shit, that cameras don't pull it out till we get to the
I know because
we good, like.
Oh yeah. See that?
We gotta go down the step, like you wanted to show him.
Pass to the hood today. We in Santo Domingo, the hood at the top.
Y'all niggas never been to this part. Promise you, y'all niggas never been to this part. Oh, the yellow. Oh, you want the regular Colombia? Yeah. Well, I want a black and green joint. Yo, we out here in El Centro. It's also known as the spot we in. It's called the Hole. Yo, how you say it in Spanish again, Danny? The Hole? El Hueco. We're technically in it's called El Hueco. I'm outside. Yeah, we about to pick up some soccer jerseys. About to get an Atletico Nacional jersey. Live and direct, El Centro. Hunting for Atletico Nacional jerseys. And they might say it's a bootleg jersey because I bought it out here like that, but in my opinion, it's the real thing. It don't get no more authentic than that. Is that a towel? That's a towel, right? The Nacional towel? It's hard. Nacional blanket. Let's see how much this towel costs over here. ¿Cuánto? 25. 25?